What's your name and badge number?
Stewart 307.
You repeat that, please? You repeat that, please? Name and badge number?
You need to step away from his vehicle now.
Oh, I'm fine.
You need to step away
I haven't done
from
anything.
his vehicle now.
You can't give me unlawful orders. Man, I'm poor thing. How you doing?
Hey, I'm good. Sergeant Perkins,
Don't stand behind me. I don't know. What do you want?
Hello YouTube. In today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Corn Dogs for Us. Please take a moment and head over to his YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. Today's video took place on June 27th, 2021 in Kettering, Ohio. The auditor was revisiting a post office when the postal employees called the police. By watching full part 1 and part 2 of this audit, it seems the auditor was trespassed from this post office just the prior week. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
Oh, I just need them to leave me alone. I've been videotaping on public property, from public property, and they show up, so I need them to leave me alone.
So you haven't been on the property today?
I don't answer questions.
Officer Ward, have you been on the property today at the post office?
I haven't talked to any witnesses or anybody in there.
He has been inside.
Today?
Yep, yes.
Okay, we're going to be issuing you a summons for trespassing.
That's
today.
illegal.
Okay.
It'll get thrown out.
Okay, that's what we're going to do.
Okay, because let me tell you, officer.
Okay. I'm going to do the old stand back.
That's
you don't
good.
want him to stand behind you. I don't want you that close to me.
All right, Officer Ward here has attitude,
Okay.
and they detained me illegally.
All right, that's your concern to bring up later.
Federal.
Now,
No,
you
listen,
are being
can I
detained.
finish?
No.
No.
I'm done.
You work for me.
Issue him a summons. No, I don't.
You work for me. Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Summons.
Name and badge number, please.
I'm Sergeant Perkins, number 285.
Thank you.
At the summons and kick him on his way. Okay.
I've been on my way. I can stand on proper property
You can
all day.
absolutely stand here.
Yes,
as long
sir.
as you
That's all
want.
I've
But
done.
if you come back on the property over here, you got it again.
Good luck.
So, okay.
You don't
were
have
told
jurisdiction
clearly-
on. How do you have
were told clearly
jurisdiction
that
on
we're done.
federal property?
We'll bring that up in court.
Yes, we will.
Okay.
And you need to go talk to the postmaster and read the rules and regulations in there.
Okay.
Because evidently none of you know them.
We'll see you at Kettering Municipal.
All right.
We'll start
See you
right
later.
after the prosecutor.
Have a good day.
You're not free to leave.
You're not free to go.
You're not free to go.
Don't touch me. I'm not instructing. I'm just going to the shade.
Just don't make this worse.
You're making it worse. Back up. You don't want me on you. Back up.
Stay right where you're at. That's okay. Listen, that's
Look,
it,
dude, I haven't
No,
done
no, no.
anything. I'm just trying to get away from
Stay
you guys.
right here.
I'm standing right here.
Do
Don't
not
touch
move.
me.
If you move
You're
again
done.
and you depart,
You're
gonna be
done.
arrested for obstructing
You're
official
done.
business.
You put your hands on me.
That's
You
correct.
put your hands
I
on
don't
me.
want you to walk out into the street and get hurt, Mr. Moore.
Daffy Duck right there.
All right, that's where we're at.
Yep, summons. Write it up, bro. So I can get on my way. Who's writing it?
The other female officer is writing
She needs
the
a badge
summons.
number. And she failed to identify herself. She just points to her name. She has to identify herself. I can read it, but she still has to verbally. What if I can't read?
Can you?
Nope.
You said you can.
What if I can't? It's a question.
I'm going to talk to you.
Good. Then bye. Beat feet.
No,
Then I don't have to leave either.
you're correct. You're
Right.
Stay right here.
And as soon as I have my summons, walk where I want.
Out anywhere you want.
Yeah, as long as I'm public property, I can.
Okay.
Have a good day. You're a big boy too, huh? Put your hands on me. Illegally. And this clown here. You should go to Wiley's and do open mic night.
Well, you provide a lot of entertainment.
I know it's going on my YouTube. Watch how many hits I get and how many phone calls you get. You idiots. Bunch of tyrants. 1 tyrant, 2 tyrant, 3 tyrant, 4 tyrant, and the 5th tyrant's up there. Evidently y'all don't know your constitutional rights. Or the law. Sergeant Perkins put his hands on me. Bye-bye. Officer Ward put his hands on me. Bye-bye. All illegal. Everything you're doing right here is illegal. Surrounded. Ooh. Takes 4 of them for a guy walking on a public sidewalk with his camcorder. I'll be back Monday too. And Tuesday. And Wednesday. And Thursday. Probably come down and do an audit on your police station. That's next. I need an incident number. Will it be on the summons? Incident number be on the summons?
Yeah, the incident number will be on the summons.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Speak up.
Yep.
Don't talk like a little girl. I don't care. I'm allowed to say whatever I want, bro.
Are you?
Yeah.
Is that in the Constitution?
Yep.
too?
Freedom of speech, bro. That's an amendment.
Anything you want?
Yeah, pretty much.
Pretty much.
Yep.
Pretty much.
As long as I don't cuss you out, we're good. Have a good day.
Hope so.
Yeah, I doubt it. Look at this grin like a troll. My kids got little trolls look like you. That garden gnome looks like that there. Hilarious. You got some drug dealers or something to go after? I mean, 5 of you, really? You're sad. Cops don't even know the law. Where's your body camera? Where's yours? Where's yours? You don't do body cameras? No? Okay. That way you don't get caught, huh? Being tyrants. Hey, how long does it take to write a summons? You should maybe go help her, man. She can't write. You don't know the law. I'm gonna throw this in my car if that's okay.
Yep, that right there. Get the summons issued and you can be on
More unlawful orders.
You okay?
More unlawful orders. Damn. When this is over and I'm found to be right, will you apologize and say you're wrong?
Worry about that one.
Will you apologize and say you're wrong when proven wrong? You? Probably not. You? 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 Man, why are your eyes so red? You been smoking pot on the clock? Have you been smoking weed? Look how red her eyes are, bro. She's either intoxicated or she's high. I think she's been down to the dispensary. You guys allowed to do that if you got dispensary card, medical card? But you look high as fuck. Damn. You must get some good stuff. I can't see your eyes. You high too? What about you? You smoke too? Look at them eyes though. They're all red and crazy looking. I've dated girls like you before, man. They're crazy. There's one right there facing the wrong way. Well, at least you got your lights on. At least you got your lights on. You're a good girl.
Alright, sir, here's the deal. You're being issued a summons.
I don't need anything from you. Just give it to me and I'm leaving. Bye-bye. Here, I don't need your direction. I don't need your direction or directives. You're a tyrant. Leave me alone. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Mr. Ward, have a good day.
You too, buddy. See you around. Learn the law while you're at it. Go home and study. Evidently, you didn't study very good in school. Yeah, you're a funny guy. You're hilarious.
Shirt's pretty. Does that say tool on it?
Yeah, it's awesome. So,
Yeah, that's.
close your laptop. Have a good day, bro.
Hey, you too.
Close your laptop when you're not using it. Hey, don't stand
Walk
by.
me to my car?
No, stand behind
Okay.
me.
I thought
Beat
you
feet.
meant words now.
Beat feet, lady. Beat feet.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video, and please remember and go over and check out Corn Dogs for Us YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video to knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there.